Hello, my geniuses. How are you doing? How are you today? I hope that you are fine. I am fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, guys, guess what? Yes, today we're going to be looking at vowel digraphs. We've already looked at consonant digraphs, so it's only fair I teach you about vowel digraphs, right? Yes. Now, vowels that combine to make a single sound, those are actually what we call vowel digraphs. All right? So, vowels that combine to make a single sound. Once you put those vowels together and it make a single sound, then it's called a vowel digraph. Okay, my geniuses? Such examples could be like AI in rain. You hear that? EA in sea. EA in sea. OO in moon. Or EE in feet. Now, there is something exciting that I have to teach you. Just like you would be walking with your friend, right? That is the same principle that will apply if two vowels go walking. So let's say you're walking with your friend, but you don't like to talk much, but your friend talks a lot. So if anybody asks any question, then your friend would answer. Well, hear what happens now. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So if two vowels are in a word and they are right beside each other, as in the case of vowel digraphs, then the one at the front, that's the sound you will hear. Okay? So let's think about AI in rain. R-A-I-N. Now, it's going to give you a long sound, but it's the A that you will hear. So the A is going to be doing the talking. Rain. Did you hear that? Yes. Rain. Good. Now, so the first one does the talking. If two vowels are walking, the first one does the talking. And you will see that throughout the lesson today. All right? So, at the end of my lesson, I want you to be able to tell me at least 10 words from the different vowel digraphs that I will look at today. And I am going to be looking at AI, OA, EE, OU, and UE. All right? In another lesson, I will look at some more. But those are the 5 that I will focus on in this lesson. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so just as I said, vowel digraphs are vowels that combine to make a single vowel sound. Examples, OA in boat. So look at the word boat. Boat. But again, look at the two vowels. And which one will do the talking? The first one. So you'll hear this one, boat. You hear the O sound? Of course, because I taught you letter sounds, duh. All right, here goes. AI in rain. Rain. Hear the A? First one does the talking. EE in feet. Well, it's too easy, right? But yes, naturally, it's the first one that will do the talking. Now, here are some words I have for you in AI. So we have main, pain, train, sail, daisy, nail, rain, tail. You heard that, right? Call them again for you. Main, pain, train, sail, daisy, nail, rain, tail. Okay? These are some vowel digraphs in the AI category. Now we're going on to OA. So we have oak, loaf, coat, soap, soak, one that grows outside. That plant, tree. But this one is a number 3. So number 3, okay, for this one right here. But this one is a plant that grows outside. Let me see if I can get you a green marker. So here we go. I'm no big artist, right? Good. You like that? So we have tree, and this is number 3. Beautiful. Then we have bee, heel, cheese. Yes. All right. Want me to repeat these for you? Because I didn't repeat this one, did I? All right. In the OA vowel digraphs category, we have oak, loaf, coat, soap, soak, toad. Now, in the EE category, we have feet, tree, 3, bee, heel, cheese. Okay? You got those, right, my geniuses? Of course you would. Naturally, you are my geniuses. I love how smart you are. All right, so now we are looking at those in the OU category, all right? And remember, guys, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. You do know there are exceptions to every rule because I taught you that, right? Yes, but in most cases, it is like that. So let's go. We have our. Now, let me take a little time to explain these to you. Now, this one, I'll use in a sentence first. This is our room. It's a possessive pronoun, okay? So it's a possessive pronoun. It shows ownership. So this is our room. Now, this one is in relation to time. What hour of the day is it? Is it 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock? See what I just did? Yes. So now you know the difference between hour and hour. All right? Beautiful. Now this is sour, flower, loud, found, mouse, count, house. I'll call them again. Hour, sour, flower, loud, found, mouse, count, house, right? Yes. Now we're looking at those vowel digraphs or sum of, because there are many more that you can add to the list. UE category. So we have Q, sew, glue, and these are all rhyming words. These are what we would call rhyming words, right? They end with the same sound, so they have the same ending sound. So those are called rhyming words. You hear it? Q, sew, glue, dew, clue, blue, true. Yes, it rhymes. All right. So again, I'll call these for you. Q, sew, glue, dew, clue, blue, true. Yay. All right, my geniuses. Now I have a little activity here for you. So since we looked at AI, OA, EE, OU, and UE in this lesson, you are going to use one word out of each of those that I gave you in the different categories, and you will use them to complete these sentences for me. Let me read them. You're going to pause your device, whether you're using a tablet, a laptop, or your phone. You'll pause your device to select the correct word and put it on the sentence, in the sentence, and then you will see if you were correct. My dash got wet in the water. Now, what would you put there from the categories? Which one of those words? If you said feet, you are correct. My feet got wet in the water. I won't write it on the line because I do not want you to see it when you're watching, okay? You'll be completing them for me. All right, number 2. I love to wear dash. It reminds me of the sky. Now, what reminds you of the sky that we looked at? Which one of those vowel digraphs? If you said blue, then you are perfectly correct. Excellent. You are doing a superb job. So I love to wear blue. It reminds me of the sky. All right. Next one. I live in a big dash. You don't live in a big cave, do you? No, you don't. And we did not look at cave because we looked at vowel digraphs, right? So whichever word you're providing, it should have a vowel digraph in it, right? So it should have a vowel digraph in it. Which of those words did I give to you that could go there? I live in a big house. Ding, 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 ding. You got it, you genius. All right, next. I used the dash to wash. Now, which word could you put there? Yes, if you said soap, you are correct. I used the soap to wash. Beautiful, my geniuses. All right, and the last one. The dash was falling outside. The dash was falling outside. I know you know that one. The rain was falling outside. You smarties. All right, guys, I want to thank you for joining me today. I want to thank you for subscribing to Reading Unlimited with KDN. It's my pleasure teaching you. And I look forward to you liking and commenting so that I can hear from you. Remember though, touch that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos. Now, look in the mirror. Have you been telling yourself great things? I hope you have. All right, guys, so give me my hug. You are smart, you are kind, you're beautiful, and you're brilliant. Now be kind to yourself, but in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day.